Melissa Westcott, Campus Director here at the Moncton campus at Eastern College. Join us in conversation on how we can help you become job ready.
I'm Alan Dale from Gale Force Winds, and what an absolute pleasure it is to be in conversation with the good people here in Moncton, New Brunswick at Eastern College. People that are making impact on people's lives, changing people's lives in a better direction, and I'm certainly privileged to be in this conversation. Why don't you introduce yourself, tell us what you do.
Hi, it's nice to meet you. My name is Rebecca Hoover, and I'm the Career Services Manager for Eastern College.
Okay, so Rebecca, Career Services Manager, unpack that for me. What does that mean?
Well, basically, I work with the team of employment specialists across all the campuses, and we help support students when it comes to the end of their program mostly, when it comes to their practicum, their field placement, and their actual job search. So I may be biased, but I think it's the best part of the job is we get to be the ones when they are there to get the job in the end, which is the goal. Yeah.
So you help with their practicum, so that must mean that you have a lot of tentacles into the community.
Definitely.
Talk to me about that.
Yeah, we network with so many employers and organizations in our community, so you really have to know your neighborhood, right? So it's a matter of, we go and visit employers, we learn about their organizations, learn about their needs, their hiring needs, and how our students and programs can fit into those needs to actually help them. Right. So a lot of it is partnerships with some pretty big names that we're proud of, and it gives those opportunities to our students.
And it speaks to a level of collaboration, right? Understanding where your partners are in their journey and how you can support that as an academic institution. It must be great to be in that conversation on a day-to-day basis.
Oh, definitely. It's very rewarding, especially when we see the students that they do well on their practicum, they found their organizational fit, and then they end up getting the job in the end. And that moment when they walk across the stage at graduation, I don't think there's a dry eye in the house when it comes to our staff.
Is that right? So a practicum would often lead to a hire at the same place?
Oftentimes. I mean, we obviously don't guarantee that. It depends on the hiring needs of that organization. But oftentimes it does turn into a job. So we tell students, treat it as if you are hired already. Make a good first impression, and even if you don't, you've got a great reference and networking coming out of that. Yeah,
and it's an opportunity for the student to decide if that's an area they want to be as well, right? So it's a two-way street on a practicum, isn't it? It's the company learning as much about the student as the student learning about the company.
Yes, for sure.
And now tell me, I guess really you're measured as a career college about how many people get employed out the other end, and how has that been going for you?
It goes great. We do have programs that have 100% placement, that all of our students are graduated, and we offer career services for life. So, we work with the student until they find the job in their field, and even if they were to find their job and then 5 years down the road they find themselves without work, we'll work with them again. Once you're part of our alumni, you have career services for life. So
stop there. Stop there for one moment. Career services for life.
For life. So we will help them review their resume and revise it, prepare for interviews, do their job search again, even if it's 5-10 years down the road.
Wow.
Yeah.
That is a powerful thing. Like graduating from here, membership has its privileges.
Yes.
Right? You've always got someone to lean back on. That must be amazing for people to come back and have so much pride in the program and the school that they came through that they're reaching back for help again.
Oh, definitely. And we really value our alumni. We have many graduates that actually now work for Eastern College and have advanced on within the company. When we say it's a family, we really mean it, both for our students and our staff.
Now, I want to pull on another string there. You said that you talked about graduation. You talked about another dry eye in the house. Talk to me about what it feels like for you knowing that, okay, these people have made big significant changes in their life. They've decided to do something here. Many of them have shifted the course of their life to go through the program. Now they're walking off the stage, but you know something a little bit more. You know that not only are they walking across the stage as a graduate, but they're going to work.
Yes.
It's got to be an amazing connection for you.
It really is. I get goosebumps just thinking about it. It's because we know our students, right? We have smaller class sizes. We get to know them on an individual basis. So we know the challenges and the hard work that they've put into, graduating from that program, and then to see them get the job in their field and be truly, feeling rewarded by the hard work that they put in. It's just, I can't explain it in words, really. It's such a great moment.
You say we know our students, so you know full well that many of these decisions are not easy, right? To decide to go back to school. Very courageous for people to do this, right? They're very courageous people to make those shifts in their life, and not only their life, in many cases their families' lives, right, as they do this. What do those students mean to you?
They just really, they touch your heart. They touch your heart, and like I said, it's just hearing the hard work that they put into it, hearing about sacrifices that they've made. Many of them work full-time jobs, they have families and other obligations, and they're doing their schoolwork. It's really astounding, the work that they put in. So yeah, it's hard to put into words how much we really value their success. Our whole motto is having job-ready students. So right from the beginning of their program, we're building the skills within them, how to look for a job, network with employers, prepare for interviews. It's something we talk about throughout their program so that they are job ready when it comes to the end of it.
Here in New Brunswick, you've got government, you've got industry, you've got academia, everybody working together to lift this province up. Eastern College right in the middle of all of that. Then you take it down a level, and Eastern College will meet the student right at the front door, drop all the barriers to their learning, financial or otherwise, help them through their career pathway, get them a job at the other end, but not only that, stay with them for life.
Yes, yes.
What would you tell a person who's looking at Eastern College right now?
I'd tell them go, just go. It's, we know all these stories of these students. We know them, and if you're thinking about a program in post-secondary, then Eastern College is the place to be. We offer flexibility, we offer support, smaller class sizes, and like you say, they're part of the family. They're part of the family. That's it. You're in. So I would encourage anyone considering school again to go to Eastern College.
Thank you for your leadership, and thank you for what you do.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for joining us today. Reach out at easterncollege.ca to learn more about how we can help you. Ring this bell.